Got a buzz down soon as he signed. Rolex, babe. Bitch hot, Glock top. Headed to the mall, full going shop. I see you, nigga. Real hood, baby, life was all fucking crazy.
What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Color Times, and I am back at y'all with another goddamn on bang. But by that title on that thumbnail, y'all already know we about to get into, gang. Today, where we are going is to Lakewood, New York. I ain't been to my home state in so long, so you know, just to get in the fact that I'ma just be in New York, I'ma just be excited. You hear what I'm saying? For the people who don't know, yes, I am from Queens. You hear what I'm saying? South Jamaica, Queens, New York. That's to the core. You hear me? So goddamn, I sound country, but that's the motherland right there. You hear what I'm saying? That's home. You feel me? That's home. North Carolina just my second home. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, we gon' yeah with the yeah. But any goddamn way. What I'm about to do right now is I have to bobtail. Right now I'm at the terminal in Ohio, Springfield, Ohio. And what I'm about to do is go pick up an empty. And then once we go pick up that empty, we're gonna go somewhere to go get some fuel because it's a fuel stop in between my route. And then we're gonna head all the way there. You feel what I said? Hopefully we head all the way there if they don't add nothing in between my route. But anyway, yeah, so that's what we're about to do. So y'all make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on all notification videos, you feel what I'm saying? And I'm going to be, you know, making a video every chance that I get. I don't that share my wrist, but anyway, yeah. So that's what I'm doing right now. I got the truck warming up. I just did my pre-trip, and I just got done doing you know, my 15-minute pre-trip. I washed my face and things like that, things of that nature. You hear what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So I'm about to go get this trailer and then go get some fuel, and I'll see y'all there on gang. So now I am currently at the pilot. I'm getting fuel right here. You know, it is snowing. I am in goddamn, I don't know which part of Ohio I'm in, but I am in Ohio. I was just in Groveport, Ohio, and y'all, when I say it is snowing, it started snowing out of nowhere because I'm thinking it's rain. I'm just using my windshield wipers and you know, just using my windshield wipers. But then I see that my windshield wipers, it's got stuff on. I'm like, what the fuck is that? I was like, I look at the pavement. There's smoke coming from the pavement, so I'm like, bro, it gotta be snow. It gotta be snow, cause ain't no damn way that's rain. So yeah, it started smelling. Y'all, when I say it was a bad storm last night, it was bad. Like the wind, I was driving, the wind was so damn strong. Goddamn, I was sitting there fighting the steering wheel, goddamn, trying to keep it up in place. So that's what we doing right now. We getting fuel. You heard me? Fuel. You heard me? God dang it on, yeah. What we doing is going to Lakewood, New York. And I'm doing a preload, so I'm dropping this empty off and I'm getting a trailer, and I'm gonna go take it to where it needs to go. Hopefully I make it today, if not tomorrow morning. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. I'm dropping off this trailer again, picking up another trailer, and then I'm gonna go to the final destination and do the live unload, and that'll be it, y'all. And then wherever they send us next, we on our way there. You hear me? Y'all, I just pulled up to this pilot, right? And tell me what this damn man, I'm backing up because I pulled up too far to for the pump, for the you know, for me to fuel, so I had to back up a little bit. His dumb ass is you know what, hell no, he's a dumb ass. That's exactly what he is, a dumb ass. Yo, this dude literally walking behind my truck like I'm supposed to see, like I see him in my mirror, but like, bro, Why are you walking in the back of trucks? Walk in the front. Your truck over there, you're parked. I could tell he was parked because ain't no damn way he came from the back. So I know he parked. So yeah, like if you park, bro, walk around the front so niggas can see you, cause when you back there, can't nobody see you. This truck got so many blind spots, and you being a trucker, you should know that. So he looking at, he got dang, I back up, he gonna stop, he look. So I look back, I'm like, bro, nigga, what? You in my way? And he just go walk up, shaking his head, trying to see. I'm like, yeah, nigga, you was a big dummy. Like, that's exactly what you is. Just a straight dummy. Like, bruh, I never met so many people who put their life at risk for no reason, bruh. Just for simple stuff. And it be so small, y'all put your life at risk, bruh. Especially the people who be driving in these damn cars. Y'all put your life at risk for nothing. Just to get in the damn spot, and we all in the same traffic. Now, I understand this truck goes slow, but bruh, y'all gotta understand. Y'all can instantly stop. We cannot. It takes a whole football field for this truck to stop. Do y'all understand? Like, you feel me? Like, I just had to vent, you feel what I'm saying? Because, you know, I just had to get that off my chest, you know, because if I can't talk to nobody else, I know I can talk to y'all, you hear what I'm saying? You know, I just had to almost put the whoops on a nigga at this pilot, you hear what I'm saying? Hold up. That ass can get it too. I ain't gonna lie to you. He can get it too. You hear me, chat? He could get it too. Man, get out my way right now. I'm ready to fight something. Look, okay, y'all. Got some real. Yeah, got dang it on. I make sure I get as much as I can in that tank. Oh, damn. Because I was completely almost in the red. You feel me? I don't know if that was good. I don't know what's gonna happen. I normally do that with my car. I ain't doing it with this truck. You know what I'm saying? I'm not doing that with this truck at all. But yeah, y'all, I almost put the whoops on cuz, bro. That nigga had me messed up. Y'all like, look, bro. Look. What you want to do, bitch? What you want to do? What you want to do, boy? Yeah, y'all, that's what I'm doing. I just sealed the cap on there. Yeah. And secure, you feel me? Whew. That thing just secure, you feel me? Saying, you hear me? It's up with anybody at this pilot, you hear what I'm saying? I really whoop a nigga out here, you hear it? Now I'm about to get my death, y'all. Like, when I tell y'all this death is crazy, it's crazy. Everybody already know the tussle you gotta go through when you getting your death together, you feel me? Tell y'all it's colder than polar bear pussy outside, y'all. It cold, you hear me? Goddamn. Yeah, y'all seen my damn skills, but any goddamn one. Yeah, bro. That's what it is. But that's what it is. I just got some fuel. A that's what it is. I got some fuel, so now we on our way to Lakewood, New York. I will see y'all in a minute. If I see bruh in there, you know, I'm a whoop on you. Hear what I'm saying? For y'all too. You feel me? You know, we don't play none of that. You hear me? So if he in there and he say something, if he see me, I'm gonna be like, nigga, what it is, you hear me? But any goddamn way, y'all make sure like, come turn on notification bell. I will see y'all on that road. Okay. Alright, y'all, it is currently the next day. You feel what I'm saying? Yes, we did make it to Lakewood. Yes, we made it safely. But, got some sad news, y'all. I want to GTA punch somebody at dispatch because we get to Lakewood, right, y'all? So I got to where I was supposed to get to yesterday on time. I got to Lakewood like around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So, boom, I get there. I do what I gotta do. I call and check in. Checked in. They say, okay, just wait outside with the rest of the other trucks and we'll tell you when your load is ready. So I do that. I'm waiting just for them to call and say the load is not ready yet. Come back tomorrow around 11 or 12. So today is tomorrow. You feel what I'm saying? So I call up there just to make sure everything is ready before I just get up pre-trip and start my clock before I just go ahead down there. So I call to make sure everything's good. He say, what's the pickup number? I give him the pickup number, everything, y'all. As soon as I give him the pickup, he say, somebody came pick that load up yesterday. I'm just like, bro, how? If I got there yesterday at 3 o'clock and y'all said the load wasn't ready, why in the fuck would you sit here and give the load to somebody else? Like, bro. And then it's like, it's not even their fault, it's dispatch, because why are you routing 2 drivers to the same route? And it's basically like, we drove here for nothing, y'all. Literally drove here for nothing, just for them to have somebody else pick up the load. Because when I got there before the other person did. So if anything, when I got there, I guess the load wasn't ready. When he got there, it probably was. So I'm just not getting it. Like, y'all could have told me this yesterday. I'm in Lakewood, New York, y'all. It is snowing outside. Look. It is snowing. It is snowing. Y'all don't see the hold on, I'm gonna try to zoom in on it for you. Where is that? I can't see it. Oh, there it go. Look at it, y'all. Y'all see it? Y'all see that thing right there? I don't know. I think that's the sun right there. But yeah, y'all. So, this is me ending the video right here. I'm about to make another video. You know, y'all will see it when y'all see it. But yeah, so this is me ending the video. So y'all make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on all notification bells. This is the life of an over-the-road trucker. You running and stuff like this. I ain't gonna lie. It's been a crazy week for me. Like, this, like, I'm glad I'm getting the experience of it now, and like, I'm, you know, taking it all in. Like, okay, I'm a new driver, I'm a rookie driver, so I'm just taking it all and getting my experience under my belt, and you know, seeing the pros and cons of it. So I ain't gonna lie, this week been shitty. I ain't gonna hold y'all, cause I was stuck in Ohio for like 2.5 days. I wanted to get out of Ohio. It was just crazy out there. They had me doing like little local runs, and I'm like, bro, I'm an over-the-road driver. God dang it, don't get me up out of here. So they finally route me to give me a route in New York. I get here, yeah, I get a load to somebody else. So it's just ups and downs of trucking. And you know, I'm glad I'm humble. I got a head on my shoulders. I understand how to go. I'm just like, it's like patience. You gotta have patience with it, you know. Don't let nobody run over you, but you gotta have patience. But anyway, it's your boy Carlo 3 times. Y'all make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on all notification bells, and I'll see y'all next movie. Oh, gang.